Welcome to SolaDrive. Today we're going to break down the difference between unmanaged and managed servers and help you figure out which one makes sense for your business. Let's start with unmanaged servers. An unmanaged server is basically a blank slate. The hosting company sets up the server, installs your operating system, and makes sure it's online and accessible. After that, everything else is on you. You're responsible for installing your web server software like Nginx or Apache, configuring your firewall, setting up backups, applying security patches, and troubleshooting any problems that come up. So who is this good for? Unmanaged hosting works well if you have a dedicated systems administrator on staff, or if you're technically experienced and comfortable working in the command line. The main advantage is cost. Unmanaged servers are cheaper because you're doing all the work yourself. The downside? It takes time. A lot of time. And when something breaks at 2 a.m., you're the one fixing it. Now let's talk about managed servers. This is what we do here at SolaDrive. When you sign up with us, we don't just hand you a server and wish you luck. We handle the technical work so you can focus on your business. That means we take care of server updates, security patches, firewall configuration, and performance monitoring. If you need help migrating a website, we'll do it for you. If you need a third-party application installed or your database tuned for better performance, just open a ticket and we'll handle it. One thing that sets us apart is how we approach support. We're based in the US and we're available 24/7 with a 15-minute response time. So when something goes wrong, you're not waiting hours or days to hear back. You're talking to a real engineer who can actually fix the problem. We also give you full root access to your server. Some managed providers lock you out of your own system. We don't do that. It's your server. You should be able to access it whenever you need to. Everything we do is backed by a 100% uptime guarantee. That's not a marketing number, it's a commitment. We run data centers in Buffalo, New York, Charlotte, North Carolina, Los Angeles, the UK, and Singapore. So whether your visitors are in North America, Europe, or Asia, we can put your server close to them. If you're currently managing your own server and spending too much time on maintenance and troubleshooting, or if you're on shared hosting and ready to upgrade to something more powerful, we'd be happy to talk through your options. Reach out to us at sales@soladrive.com or visit soladrive.com. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos on hosting and keeping your business running online.